That sounds pretty good.
Eventually, you don't eat.
Money in the pot, plus you support our veterans. $1 will get you a ticket. $1 can make you a winner. And
I just said yesterday. I didn't wait for you.
stood up when we needed them, and now they need our help. Come on over, Benson, North Carolina. Come on over. Stand right up. Move right up to the table right now.
Yeah, I understand, man, but it's a bit pretty good rib eye on these beaches. Okay, we're gonna start with the
You find peace of mind on the floor, take a little time. Come and see you and me, just show a little sign. I'll be there after a while if you my love. We can boogie on down. Together, everybody knows, and this is how the story goes. She's back in my tent, just let it all hang out. She's a great house. The lady stack, and that's the fact. Ain't holding up the back. She's a great. The bell was ringing, our souls were singing. Do you remember? Never a
So anything that you do for our veterans, doubly blessed. Thank you so much.